perfect continuous tenses. जब हाल में हम कोई इस तरह की बात कहें कि बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर पहले हम जब हैज़ और हैव की बात करते थे, अब परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंसेस में इसके साथ बीन का इस्तेमाल होता है, राइट? अब बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है. The child, because it's singular, we will use has been. The child has been crying. इसके साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे? Since या for. And we will use for 2 hours, क्योंकि ये ड्यूरेशन है 2 hours. बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है. Always remember we use has with singular and have with plural. Okay? अच्छा जी, वो कल से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. They have been playing cricket. अब यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? That's my question. I know I haven't told you, but that is a known time. और हमें पता है ये किसी चीज़ के आगाज का वक्त है. So we will say since yesterday. Okay? Why did we use since? क्योंकि ये किसी चीज़ के आगाज का वक्त था. Okay? Now, this is it for present tenses. Now, if we say बच्चा कल से रो रहा था. बच्चा कल से रो रहा था. The child had been crying since yesterday, right? Since yesterday, we will do this and we will say the child had been crying since yesterday. Okay, and if we want to say कि वो कल से क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, अगर यहाँ है की जगह थे आ जाए, then we will do what we will do is they had been playing since yesterday, as easy as you can see. So now if you want me to create more sentences of past indefinite, because now we have shifted to past perfect continuous. Now let's create some sentences like वो कल से इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रही थी. Okay, she had been, जहाँ पर थी आएगा वहाँ पर had आएगा. There is no such scenario जब था आता है तो वहाँ पर had been ही लगता है. But हाँ, present में has और has been और have been लगता है, but past में had been होता है. Okay, she had been studying और preparing. अगर तैयारी बोलेंगे तो preparing आएगा, अगर पढ़ाई बोलेंगे तो studying आएगा. She had been studying for exams since last week भी बोल सकते हैं, गुजरे हुए हफ्ते. तो since last week. Okay, now always remember, अब यहाँ पर अगर सिर्फ 2 weeks होता या मुझे उस मुद्दत का, उस टाइम का स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम का ना पता होता तो मैं यहाँ पर लगाती for 2 weeks, राइट? अब ये लास्ट वीक तो मुझे पता है ना, ये गुजरे हुए हफ्ते में, तो यहाँ पर मैं लगाऊंगी since last week. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. अब अगर मैं कहूँ वो 2 घंटे से झूठ बोल रहा था. ओके, he had been lying. अब यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Of course, for 2 hours. Okay, he had been lying for 2 hours. Okay, so these were present perfect continuous tenses and past perfect continuous tenses. Actually, I should also let you know, because I want to give you the concept, and after that what I want to teach is the structure, because it is not important to cram something. It is important to understand something first, to have a good grip on something, keep things in mind, and after that I'll let you know the structure. The structure for present perfect continuous tenses will be subject plus has been or have been, right? Always remember, we use with I, you, and plural. We use have been, and with singular we use has been. Okay, if the subject is singular, we will use has been. If the subject is plural or if it's I or you, then we will use have been plus verbs ing form plus object. That's the structure for present tenses. And now next for past tenses, it will be subject plus had been plus verbs ing form. The best part is that all of these tenses, they contain ing form, and there is a been with either has, have, had or will, shall. Okay, that's the scenario. Okay, had been plus verbs ing form plus object. Now for future tenses, for future perfect continuous tenses, what we will do is subject plus will have been or shall have been. There is no has. Okay, make sure there is no has. Keep it in your mind. Plus verbs ing form plus object. Now depending upon the type of subject, if it's I or you, we use shall have been. For others, we use will have been. For suppose अगर हम कहें वो 2 घंटे से बर्तन धोती रही होगी, वो 2 घंटे से बर्तन धोती रही होगी. She will have been cleaning the dishes. I always use 2 hours. I don't know. I should say for 3 hours. Okay, for 3 hours. Okay, वो 3 घंटे से बर्तन धोती रही होगी. And hours. Okay, here. Okay. So this is future perfect continuous tense, and if you want to say कि वो पूरा साल मेहनत करता रहा होगा, he will, या वो पूरा साल सख्त मेहनत करता रहा होगा, he will have been working hard. If you want to say 2 साल से या 1 साल से, then you will say for a year. Okay, he will have been working hard for a year. वो पूरा 1 साल से सख्त मेहनत करता रहा होगा. He will have been working hard for a year. Now if you want to say गई रात कुत्ता भौंकता रहा होगा, the dog will have been barking since yesterday. Okay, so this is it for now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below so that I can answer all your queries. And if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.